Augusta, Georgia. I'm the founding members of the Black Heart Rebels. It's a collection of creatives. The rest of my team is in Atlanta tonight. I want to come to Charlotte solo, test the room with people I don't know. Also, I don't like microphones, so I'm going to step off because I move around a lot. No, it's cool. I'll be okay. Keep running for anybody else. So, first piece I'm going to do is Colorful Sounds of Heartbreak. See, Shawty keep testing me like, check, 1, 2. Damn. Need I remind you how cool I am, or should I remind you how lame you are for breaking my heart? See, I'm a G little mama, plus I shine like the stars. Oh, yes. You gonna feel it in this form. I'm trying to do right, but they keep saying I'm living wrong. As 2 left shoes that got my moon indigo blue. Used to be fire red until you said that I wasn't hot anymore. I guess I changed it back to yellow mellow. I got the purple green stuffed in the cigarello. She left the king for the queen, then she cheated with a knife. I took that L like a champ when we fought that night. But now she wanna holler when she see me. Snap if you feel me. Appreciate that. See, most don't understand, so they label me silly, but really there is no other mind with the view of hue. I do every shade this way past area gray. So on a cool blue late winter afternoon, a red orange sunset got me thinking of you, and not a moment too soon, I pull out my pen and I begin to illustrate a fairy tale. See, once upon a time, I was yours and you were mine. Your essence was royal, your aura was greenish brown. I guess that meant that you were down to earth. Loving the flowers, hugging the trees, sing with the birds, dance with the bees, sting my body, make me swell. I can tell that, whew, you weren't new to this. I wrote you a love poem and you blew me a kiss. Told me I was number 7 on your bucket list and I'll battle anyone who tried to diss you. But see, it's funny what we recollect. Because I remember clearly what you're trying to forget, and yet there is no other mind with the view of you. I do every shade this way past area gray. Yeah. So right now, feeling a little electric gray mixed with neon black. And I don't want you back, I just need you to know that relationships aren't always black and white. There's areas gray, and every time the gray clouds came, you were quick to run away. I told you I could hear colors and see sounds, and you laughed. I gave you my heart and you didn't hesitate to try to break me down. So let me break this down for you so no other words will remain unspoken. My heart has repaired itself. My wounds have healed. And you will never love me more than I love myself. And you will never find another mind like mine, because I view every hue in every shade.